The White House has replaced the government's main COVID-19 information site with a new one titled Lab Leak: The True Origins of COVID-19. Here's what's changed. Web users who navigate to covid.gov, a website that previously displayed the Biden administration's COVID-19 policies along with vaccine and testing information about the virus, are now redirected to a White House page criticizing the Biden administration, specifically Dr. Anthony Fauci, for pushing their preferred narrative that COVID-19 originated naturally and trying to discredit the theory that the virus was originally leaked from a Chinese laboratory, which the Trump administration insists was the true cause of the pandemic. The page goes on to cite evidence supporting the president's claims, including a map that shows the distance between the Huanan seafood market where the first cases of the virus have been traced back to, and the lab at the Wuhan Institute of Virology that Trump believes is responsible for the leak. Below, the site contains a list of descriptions slandering Biden administration members, decisions, policies, and mandates surrounding COVID-19. In particular, the page states that the 6-foot social distancing recommendation from public health officials was arbitrary and not based on science. Additionally, the White House site says that there was no conclusive evidence that masks effectively protected Americans from COVID-19, claiming that public health officials flip-flopped on the efficacy of masks without providing Americans scientific data, causing a massive uptick in public distrust. The page also criticizes lockdowns, stating that they caused immeasurable harm not only to the American economy, but also to the mental and physical health of Americans and failed to protect the most vulnerable population. The site ends with claims that under President Biden's leadership, the federal government demonized alternative treatments and disfavored narratives such as the lab leak theory, in a shameful effort to coerce and control the American people's health decision. What do you think of the White House's new COVID-19 page? Let us know in the comments.